In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI in Google Sheets. By following these simple steps, you'll seamlessly integrate Gemini AI's capabilities right into your spreadsheets. Let's dive in and transform your data management approach, making it more efficient and smarter. To get started, first open your Google Sheet. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you have a spreadsheet ready or open a new one to test Gemini AI's features. It's crucial that you are logged into the Google account that you'll be using to access these tools, as this ensures a smooth setup process. Next, navigate to the top menu of your Google Sheets interface and click on Extensions. This menu is your gateway to various plugins and enhancements that can supercharge your spreadsheets. From the drop-down list, select App Script. What we're doing here is accessing the built-in development environment where we can write code to extend the functionality of your Google Sheet. It might seem a little technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Now, in the App Script editor, you'll need to write a custom function. This custom function will serve as the bridge between your Google Sheet and Gemini AI. Think of it as teaching your spreadsheet a new trick. If you're new to scripting, it might seem daunting, but remember, scripting in Google Sheets is a way to automate processes. Take a deep breath and embrace this bit of coding adventure. You can find examples or references online to help construct your function, but the key thing is to ensure that the function exactly matches what you intended to do with Gemini AI. If you encounter any challenges while writing it, Google's comprehensive documentation and various online communities can be incredibly helpful resources. Once you've crafted your custom function, it's time to save the script. Go ahead and click on the Save icon, or head to the File menu and choose Save. Saving is both a safeguard against losing your work and a step to activate the script in your Google Sheet. After saving, you may need to grant permissions, as App Script will sometimes request access to certain elements of your spreadsheet. Make sure to review and accept these prompts so everything runs smoothly. Finally, once everything is set up, you can start using your new function in the spreadsheet cells. When you run it, the function will call upon Gemini AI to perform its task and return the response directly in the cell. And there you have it. With each call, Gemini AI processes your request and provides you with the information or computation you need right in your Google Sheet without the need for external applications or additional tabs. It's an efficient and powerful way to enhance your data analysis and productivity. With these steps completed, you're now equipped to harness the power of Gemini AI within Google Sheets. Happy data processing, and enjoy the newfound intelligence at your fingertips.